C5 here at Unique, especially in classics. This one's a 2001 Chevrolet Corvette convertible. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Actual mile car, 49,326 is all on the odometer at the moment. Quicksilver metallic, ebony interior. Let's go ahead and take a look at this front nose or front fascia. Of course, the tried and true 5.7 liter LS1 underneath the hood, paired up with a 6-speed manual transmission. Power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. You can see paint shows well. Nice shine to it. Maybe a couple little touch-up spots on that nose, but overall, considering the car is pushing 25 years old, darn nice shape. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the interior, engine bay, trunk. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out the underside pics. Car's actually been undercoated on portions of it, so reduce on road noise a little bit. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the polished wheels, Bridgestone radials. Just take a look down this passenger side. You can see it's not full of any major nicks, dings, scratches. Of course, manual top on these C5s, and I will show you how easy it is to put that top up, latch it down, and I will check out the condition of it. If you stick around to the very end of the video, Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Nicely equipped with driver's information center, heads-up display, dual electronic climate control. As you can see, there's that 6-speed manual transmission, bucket seats. And once again, all the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Brakes are 70% in the front, 80% in the rear. Complete dual exhaust. Catalytic converters still intact. So we get a good look at the rear of the car. Of course, the C5s have the convertible top and the storage space in the trunk behind them. So we take a look down the driver's side. If you like Corvettes, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done online or right off our showroom floor. As you can see, driver's side also free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. All right, of course, your monitored amenities with the power windows, power locks, power mirrors, memory setting, also Bose stereo system, door panels in good shape, power seat over here on the driver's side, and you can see seats are not very worn, just a few of the wrinkles and the natural hide that you'll get with the leather, but no rips, tears, holes. Again, no major sources of wear. Tilt column, of course, cruise control. All right, let's go ahead, fire this up. We're going to check out the exact miles. There it is, 49,326. Heads-up display working. Sorry about the focus, but you can see it is working. No service engine soon. Check engine lights, anything like that on. Top of the dash, good shape. Of course, AM, FM with CD player.
What is your next success story?
Radio working fine. Getting the electronic dual climate control. AC blows cold, heater blows hot. 6 speeds. I do want to mention one thing. Headlights work. I'm going to show you those going up here. When it goes back down, you do get the humming, buzzing sound out of what sounds like the passenger side. So let me go ahead and show you. They work fine, go up, but we're going to get some sound out of it. I believe it's the right one when it goes back down. It will stop. Just want to make you aware of that. Power antenna works. Sounds as you would expect. Nothing crazy over the top or exhaust. Look how clean this engine bay is. Hood liner, basically about spotless. There it is. That LS1 5.7 liter power. Sounds good, looks good underneath there. This car will come with the lifting pucks for when you're going to put it on a lift. Go underneath the frame, body of it, so you can lift it. They'll be in a little plastic package in the trunk. Alright, so engine bay, no surprises there, looking good. Let me go ahead and get the tripod out here. I want to show you how easy this top is to put up. We'll check out the condition of that. And don't forget, stick around to the very end. Jason will take it for a drive. And the top up, as easy as that. All right, latched above the front windshield, nice tight fit. So black fabric, it's in very nice shape. Side glass rolled up, as you can see, power windows work. No real rips, tears, holes, really anywhere at all. Glass rear window, electric rear defog. No surprises on the convertible top either. So there you go, clean Carfax, 2001 Chevrolet Corvette, just a little over 49,000 original miles. I'll show you how to fold that top back up so you can see how that works. And then, like I said, Jason will take it for a drive. Number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
a few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
Gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 2001 Chevrolet Corvette. This is a convertible, and we do have the top up today. 6-speed manual transmission right here on the center console. The AC's blowing ice cold. Stereo sounds great. Let's see how she does out on the road. Very good acceleration, only getting up to 3,000 RPMs there and still pulling strong. Nice low miles on this Corvette. Our oil PSI is showing about 50. The temperature approximately 190. which is good. The battery's charging over 13 volts, and the fuel tank is almost 3/4 full. Very comfortable leather bucket seats in this Corvette. Power assist on the seats. Beautiful interior, silver against black. Round shifter, probably the best design, honestly. The plain ball shifter fits most people's hands best. Brakes feel good. We have a heads-up display giving us a tachometer, speed, and fuel gauge right now. The corner's very low. There we go. Closer to 4,000 RPM. You really feel the power kick in. Take a look at all the pictures of this very nice 2001 Chevrolet Corvette at uniqueclassiccars.com.